Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Kassar Mustafa, President Pakistani American Republican Party from Brooklyn, New York. Donald Trump's presidency was marked by a distinct and often controversial approach to foreign policy, particularly concerning countries perceived as adversaries to the United States. His administration adopted a strategy that emphasized a tough stance against nations that he believed sought to undermine American interests, including China, Iran, and North Korea. This article delves into Trump's policies and actions, highlighting how he aimed to protect and assert American dominance on the global stage. One of the most significant aspects of Trump's foreign policy was his confrontational approach towards China. He accused China of unfair trade practices, intellectual property theft, and currency manipulation. In response, he implemented tariffs on Chinese goods, initiating a trade war aimed at rebalancing trade relations. Trump believed that these measures would not only protect American jobs, but also compel China to adhere to international trade norms. His administration's efforts included negotiating a Phase 1 trade deal, which sought to address some of the imbalances and foster a more equitable economic relationship. Trump's stance against Iran was equally assertive. His administration withdrew from the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action (JCPOA), commonly known as the Iran nuclear deal, arguing that it did not adequately prevent Iran from developing nuclear weapons. In place of the deal, Trump imposed a maximum pressure campaign, reinstating and escalating sanctions against Iran. This approach aimed to curb Iran's regional influence and its support for militant groups, which Trump and his allies viewed as direct threats to American interests and allies in the Middle East. Furthermore, Trump's dealings with North Korea showcased his unorthodox style of diplomacy. Initially, he engaged in a war of words with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, labeling him Little Rocket Man and threatening military action. However, this rhetoric shifted as Trump sought to establish a personal rapport with Kim, culminating in historic summits in Singapore and Hanoi. While these meetings were unprecedented, critics argued that they did not lead to substantial denuclearization agreements. Nonetheless, Trump's willingness to engage directly with a leader of a nation viewed as a significant adversary marked a departure from traditional diplomatic practices. In conclusion, Donald Trump's approach to foreign policy was characterized by a willingness to confront adversarial nations head-on. His administration's strategies aim to protect American interests through tariffs, sanctions, and direct diplomacy. While his methods were often polarizing and drew criticism, they reflecting a broader commitment to assert American strength and influence in a rapidly changing global landscape. The long-term effects of these policies continue to shape discussions on Americans' role in international relations. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.